In this video, I am going to show you how to create content in EdPuzzle from content and videos that have already been created. So let's say we want to create something on systems of equations, so that's what I'm going to search for. So there's two different options. There are some videos that are already uploaded into EdPuzzle that people have used already, but then it also gives you some options from YouTube. I'm going to just use this first video right here. So if I scroll down just a little bit, I can actually see that 56 people have already used this video and added in their own questions and their own audio notes and things like that. So I suggest actually looking through some of these first because they may have some really great questions already put into their EdPuzzle video. But let's say we want to come up with our own questions using this video on systems of equations. So I'm going to go over here to edit. This first option, cut, allows you to just kind of trim the video. If you want to cut some of it out, you can add in your own voiceovers instead of having the person in the video talk. Or here's what's important is creating the questions. So I'm going to play this video just for a few seconds until I can find a good place to put my first question.
Today we're going to talk about systems of equations. A system just means two or more equations.
Okay, that seems like a great thing to ask a question about. So I'm going to ask an open-ended question. And let's see, what is a system of equations? Then click Save. So when the students are playing this video, it will pause at 12 seconds and they will have to answer this question.
To solve a system, you're looking.
All right, so for now, I'm just going to click Finish. And this is what the students will see when they open up the video. They'll see a screen like this. They'll see their to-do list of tasks or questions to answer. And I'm ready to click Assign. So I've already imported my classes from Google Classroom, so I'm going to assign it to maybe my Math 1 classes. I can set a due date, April 10th. Now here is a huge thing right here. We want to make sure that prevent skipping is checked because this prevents the students from skipping ahead in the video without answering the questions. So you definitely want to make sure that is checked. You can turn on closed captions and post it to Google Classroom.